So welcome to Biology 315. This is the class of computational biology. And shortly today I will say a few things about how you will be graded at the end of the semester. So, first of all, I have to mention that we will work through the elearn system of the university, and this is because it's a comfortable system to provide assignments and mark your exercises and so on. So every week, or maybe we will skip some weeks, you will have an assignment. Via elearn that you will have to do at home. You will have to complete at home. So I hope that in general we will have 8 to 10 assignments during the semester. So this will be like exercises that you will have to complete at home. These exercises will take something like 30% of your total grade. Another 30% will be the midterm exams, which ideally we should do them ideally in the computer room. But since I know that there are not enough computers for everyone, maybe we will split that in different groups and so on. I hope that will make it, otherwise it will be paper exams. But the direction here is to really do the midterm exams on the computer. So this again will be something like 25 to 35%, probably 30% this one again, and the rest, which will be approximately 40%, will be the final assignment. So the final assignment is something. It will be it will be a more difficult exercise, let's say, but will require things that we will do throughout the whole semester. So it will be a more complicated exercise, let's say. So in this final assignment, you will have to work either alone or in groups of 2. So this is the idea up to now. Again, I mentioned that all this will happen via elearn, so please don't send emails with exercises because probably they will get lost. But another thing that I have to mention is that you will have a Slack workspace that you may ask questions there, but more importantly, you will have to use the elearn discussion forum to ask questions. So I will set up both of them, but I really recommend to use this one. Perhaps the Slack will give some benefit, you know, for directly exchanging messages, but really the questions and everything should go through the elearn discussion forum so that everybody will have access to that. Okay, I hope it's clear how you will get your final mark, and let's discuss now some things about the class itself.